We've always done it that way. Well, while some ideas may be worth ignoring, others can be world changers. Once again, Hubble and Chance Products have a better idea. While this may not look like a better idea to you, after we explain how the Chance Instant Foundation system works, we'll bet you see the light too. Unlike concrete foundations, which require excavation, scheduling concrete trucks, expensive anchor bolts, and days of curing, Chance saves you labor, material, equipment, and especially that most precious resource of all, time. Chance foundations install in minutes while providing superior strength and durability to poles up to 50 feet tall. The secret lies in the one-piece design. All Chance steel foundations feature a true 3-inch pitch helix that cuts and displaces soil as it screws into the ground, thus ensuring greater tension, compression, and lateral capacity. And Chance foundations are easy to install. Field tests show crews can install up to 4 times as many foundations in a single day, even in bad weather. Prove it, you say. We will. We sent out a crew who had never used our instant foundations and filmed them. This is a real installation crew in Indiana with real work to be done. Yes, initially they took a while. Of course, it might have helped if the instructions hadn't been upside down. But the benefits of Chance foundations are no joke. They don't require rebar cages, forms, or create concrete waste. With typically less than 10,000 foot-pounds of torque required, the steel shaft is installed cleanly into the ground and in record time. And when cold weather conditions occur, frost heave does not impact the installation. Here's how it works. A digger derrick with a conventional Kelly bar is used during the installation. 2 bolts secure the driving tool assembly into a base plate with, in this case, variable bolt circles. With the drive tool connected, the foundation is raised into position over the site. A simple carpenter's level keeps the foundation plumb. Downward pressure is applied as the foundation is drilled in a clockwise direction. And the installation is complete. This time-lapse footage clearly proves that the entire installation process takes no more than 10 minutes. The same time it takes to just auger a hole. And there's no cure time, unlike concrete, that could take days to reach design strength. No multiple trips to the job site, minimizing labor and reducing your fuel expense for the job. And no weather delay. When you're done, you have a sturdy instant foundation in place with convenient cableway openings ready for the electrical wiring. Using concrete, all you have is a hole. And in those situations where removal is necessary, Chance Instant Foundations can even be removed and reused without the expense of recycling concrete and with minimal time. The crew got pretty good by the end of the day. But what did they think?
I personally like it a lot better. It's quicker. You don't have the time. You have to dig the hole, set the forms, and then you have to wait for it to dry.
Instant foundation from Chance is a really nice setup. It goes in quick and easy.
With the concrete base, we have to come out with our mixing equipment, and then the next day come out with our truck and set the poles. So it's a lot less equipment used,
a lot quicker, and I was impressed how you could keep it level. I was a little concerned about that, but it was easy to keep level. Worked really well.
You could conceivably easily set a couple of dozen of these anchors and set the poles on it in a day's time.
These are a better deal.
Okay, so the guys like it. But we all know cost is king. Suppose you could install 5 concrete foundations in one day at a labor cost of $800 per day. Simply divide 800 by 5, and your labor cost per foundation is $160. Now, imagine installing 20 steel foundations in the same day for the same price. This time, divide 800 by 20, and your labor cost per foundation is only $40. That's money in the bank. Engineered for strength and durability, all our foundations begin right here at Chance, the largest manufacturer of steel foundations in the world, and with good reason. Our pre-engineered system is based on nearly 100 years of research and development, and each foundation is inspected and certified to ensure the highest quality. Raw materials are new and mill traceable, manufactured with 90% recycled material. All foundations are designed for specific load requirements, formed with a true 3-inch helical pitch, bonded by trained and certified welders, galvanized with zinc coating for corrosion protection, and carefully stored in large inventories for rapid shipment. Throughout manufacturing, stringent quality controls ensure we produce the best steel foundations on the market today. With nearly 100 offices nationwide and in Canada, Chance provides you the engineering guidance, technical support, and documentation you need to get the job done down, right, and solid. So, have you seen the light yet? Anyone calling you Sonny? Whether it's a street light, road sign, cell tower, or parking light with bumper, railway signal, telephone pay station, or dozens of other applications, the Chance Instant Foundation System is up to the task. It's hassle-free, cost-efficient, and fast. The Chance Instant Foundation System. Down, right, solid.
Where's that concrete truck?